Empower and teach your classes anywhere, anytime with Platute. Our app features smart search and location booking software. Work smarter and take control of your working hours while teaching on a safe tutoring platform. Start searching for one-on-one sessions by selecting your booking preferences in travel distance, hourly rate, and session location. Once you have updated your preferences, your advert would be previewed and matched with students ASAP. As soon as you accept a request, you can view session details and coordinate with students through the messaging feature for any last-minute changes. When both parties arrive, simply press Start Session. Show your code for the student to scan, and start teaching with a timer for your reference. To start a group session, press the icon on the left corner, select Create Group Class, and then fill in your session details and description. After, simply wait and start accepting student requests as their faces appear under session details. When the time is right, press Start Session to engage a timer on all devices and a code on your app to be scanned for student attendance and ease in class payment. Share your experience with our review and rating system to maintain quality with our tutoring service platform. Lastly, we send you an email of your session summaries and analytics of your popular classes, peak enrollment hours, and more to do learning the easy way.